Interested in borrowing against your portfolio to amplify returns? Trading on margin is a powerful but risky tool that Fidelity offers to eligible accounts. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, you must apply and be approved for a margin account. This involves a separate agreement. Once enabled, your available to trade balance will show both your cash and your borrowing power. When you place a trade that exceeds your cash balance, you'll automatically use margin, incurring interest on the borrowed amount. You can also take a margin loan as a cash withdrawal. My crucial pro tip? Understand the maintenance call. If your account value falls, you must deposit more cash or sell assets to meet Fidelity's equity requirements. Never use margin for your entire position. Use it sparingly, for short-term opportunities, and always have a plan to cover the loan quickly. Handle this financial lever with extreme caution and respect. Have you ever used margin? For investing or as a low-interest loan? For more guides on advanced account features, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.